And we are live. As usual, let me check out everything. Oh, and get logged out. Perfect. Happy Friday, happy Friday. Just getting the stream finalized. Good morning, Matt. Matijuana? Go live on TikTok. Live appears to be on a different topic, please. Sorry, guys, give me 1 second. Boom. Boom, bang, bang. Alright, got my TikTok check. Got you guys. Alright, what's up, Jose? Happy Friday, happy Friday. Let's take a look at the market and see what's going on today. Got a little spike up here. As usual, I like to wait 5 to 10 minutes after market opens, which is why it seems like I'm late to start the stream. And while I am, I'm technically not late to my trading. Alright. So let me check some news really quickly, make sure there's nothing that's going to catch me off guard. And there seems to be nothing of importance. Let's see if we can finish this week off with straight green. We are currently green every day of the week, this week so far. So it would be nice if we can end the week on that green note. So I'm going to be very picky with my trades probably today, just for the sake of trying to end that green week. Massive movement down during Asian session. Yes, I did see that. We do have this fat move down here, which is a little bit worrisome for me because, as you guys know, I like to go long. Ooh, look at this. Nice imbalance right there that just got tapped into and rejected pretty freaking hard. 15-minute time frame. Take a look at the VWAP. We're kind of just trading at VWAP right now. Overall trend on a 15-minute time frame is kind of just sideways, right? We've just been chopping around. Hourly chart is still relatively bullish, believe it or not, right? We're in an area of general support. We actually just took out these lows in that Asian session right here, so that's relatively bullish, right? Get a sweep of the lows and potentially continue on higher. So bigger time frames, still bullish, but now on the smaller time frames, like 15-minute, 5-minute, we're kind of in that downtrend. So if you want to know what my bias is for today, it's honestly still probably long because we swept these lows down here, right? And the overall trends are on the bigger time frames are still up. I just like to long, right? I just like longing. I used to like to short, but then I learned my lesson. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. Here's a great order zone right off the bat, right down in here. That's probably going to be the trade that we take today, if I had to guess, or at least one of them. So liquidity imbalance here. Looks something like, you know what? I'm not going to mess with it too much. I'm just going to keep it right as it is. So we just rejected that 15-minute supply, right? 15-minute supply level right here. Rejected that quite hard. So now we're probably going to need to take out these lows. Probably going to need to take out some kind of liquidity if we do plan on going higher. Of course, we could go back and retest these lows down in here. Okay, looks like I'm going to need to lock in. Oh god, I don't have enough coffee in me for this. It's too early. I just got here. So we're looking for a sweep of these lows into this area here. By the way, TikTok, I've switched you guys back to vertical. Let me know if you enjoy that or if you prefer the horizontal setting. Morning, Luco. So looking for a sweep of these lows into this imbalance zone here. Wow, it's going to happen quick. I don't like when things happen this quickly. Nice reversal so far. I'm going to enter. Today is a Friday. I probably shouldn't be trading with full size. But why isn't it showing? Oh my god, I'm logged out on my trading view. That is a big issue. There's my long. Let me log back in, guys. Crap, this is not good. Not good, not good, not good. Let's see if we can maybe scramble to a break even. Okay, here's the trade. Boom, bada bang, bada boom. Go to break even. Guys, we're on fire this week. Alright, let's see. See if we can survive it. Oh, no. Wow, that happened very quickly. Jesus. Alright, are we going to get a retest of the zone? Or is this going to break even and rip higher? Oh my god, guys. That was so hectic. Freaking signed out of my account. Dang it, man. Things are ripping. Whatever. Still technically a green trade. I will probably re-enter if we get some kind of retest. We'll see. Okay, well that retest is happening quite aggressively and with no volume. So I will stay out of this. Now here's some volume. Wow, the market's moving fast. Big push. Go to break even. Like the stream if you're enjoying the streams, guys. We're green every week, and I don't think my trading has ever been as good as it has been lately. My trading is freaking cracked. Now the problem is you can't talk like that because the market will humble you very quickly, so gotta be careful. Trail one. You know what? We'll trail. Okay, trail one. Sure. In case of something like that happening, take a little tiny bit of profit. Now, this thing could probably easily go back to break even. especially on a Friday. Fridays are tough, but if we don't, let's take a look at some targets. Obviously, first targets are up here, which we just trailed some. Okay, this thing is absolutely tanking back down. Okay. See, told you the market will humble you quickly if you let it. If it catches you being cocky. So we're just scalping all these little partial trades right now. I don't know. I mean, I've traded this twice now. If I trade it a third time, that's the last chance that I get. So let's reanalyze here. This is some strong bearish pressure happening right now. Did we take the low out? We did. Oh boy. This is a tough one. This is a toughie for sure. No, we didn't take the low out. Jeez, man, what a weird looking trade. Not sure I'm going to re-enter this. Of course, now it's going to rip. We'll see. This candle here is kind of... I don't know. There's not much going on here. There's a lot of momentum to the downside right now. And we're not getting the push that I would have liked to see out of this order zone. Of course, don't forget, guys, there's now an order zone course if you're interested. Alright, so yeah, I think I'm going to just stay out of this one for now. And that's moving quick again. Wow, look at that. Alright, now I need to get ready for the next zone, which I don't really see any. Ooh, are we gonna just... Is this... Ooh. Crap. This might be a demand low sweep kind of situation. Oh man, it is. God dang it. Sweep the demand low there. That's something that I teach in my course. Alright, let's see if we can get some kind of entry per chance. That was probably it right there. Dang, this market is scary right now. It moves down so easily. Oh yeah, no, Evan, I know. I know that middle part was atrocious. I stopped Forex because it was simply just not as easy. Alright. Shoot. See, this big fat green candle, I don't really want to get in on this right in here because I probably should. Yeah, I guess I should have. Dang it. This is just a tough trade here. I only get one more shot at this, so I kind of want to be, you know, cautious with my entries. But I'm just not sure. Damn it. Yeah, this was the candle right here that sealed the deal. That big sweep, high volume candle. Can I get an entry still? Will we get an entry? Oh man, that sucks. 2 break-evens, 1 small contract partial on that trade. Dang, man. I just increased my trading size too, so I've been itching for a full size win. Yesterday, you guys saw we could have gotten a full size win, but I accidentally traded freaking 2 contracts instead of 5. So been green every day this week, but every day has been like pulling teeth. God dang, man. Ugh. Oh, that hurts my soul. Look at these entries. It just chopped me around. Oh my god, dude. I hate my life. 2 great entries, but just kept pushing, man. Just kept pushing. Then swept the lows. All that high volume. I didn't even see that volume. If I saw that volume, I probably would have jumped on it way faster. But, man. It is what it is. I mean, we're technically already up more than we were yesterday, so I guess that's a win. Yesterday we were up 40 after a stupid day. Today we're up a little bit over 40. But these are small numbers, obviously. We're trying to get big numbers. What are your thoughts on meme coins? Don't really know too much about them. Fun fact, this is a true story. I'm basically the person that put Dogecoin on the map. I know it sounds crazy, but there is a perfect timeline of the moment I make a video about Dogecoin all the way up to when Elon discovers Dogecoin. So technically I've met Elon. Basically, me and Elon are friends. But no, I'm not big on meme coins. Wow, dude, what a monster trade that I just missed. I don't know what my luck has been lately. We've missed this week again. It's like bittersweet. This week has been green every day. But it's like small green days that should be monster green days. So it's kind of annoying. And see now, I can't really do anything with this. This is just in the middle of nowhere. Skyrocketing. I'm not going to short this. Oh my god, I just wish I could go back in time. Pain. Joe, what's up? You still in crypto? I still kind of passively invest, yeah. But not trading, really. These futures are quite fun. What are you guys doing for the weekend? I am going to a sushi omakase. And And I will be playing chess right now. While this market gives me something to do, there's nothing I can do right now. Yesterday I was in bed trying to play chess and I lost 2 games in a row, so that sucks. Now we're retesting that imbalance area. But again, I'm not shorting this. If there was a place to short it, it would probably be above these highs. Ooh, Cackle Hackle got the long down here. Look at this. Cackle Hackle got that long. Oh, that was on MES too. I wonder if... I mean, it looks pretty similar. You're trading NQ. I got stopped right there. Where'd you get stopped? How'd you get stopped out on this? If you're trading my strategy, you shouldn't. Only way you get stopped out of it is if you're short. Here, at least. Oh man, TikTok stream has been so dead lately. I think TikTok has suppressed me. As you guys know, TikTok does not seem to like me. After all my violations. Alright. Should I play a game of chess? I guess. I don't even know if I have the energy, honestly. We'll see. Let's try it. Oh my god, she's a sweat. Okay, you want a queen trade? Alright. Dude. What is this? That was so fast. My god. Oh my gosh, she's just gonna take the knight. This is already a losing game. Okay, I'm resigning. Screw this, I'm not dealing with this. What a freaking nerd, dude. You have to factory reset your computer? Dang. Are you serious, dude? Okay, so if I do this, they're going to go here. Okay, so we're going to counter that with this now. Fuck you. Freaking nerds trying to... Jip. Oh my god, that's probably not allowed on TikTok, that word. Yeah, they want to do this so that they can go here. Well, I'm going to do it anyways, because now if you go here... Oh, and I just made the same mistake as last game. But actually, if she goes here, I'll just do that. Dude, what a cheap move. By the way, we're breaking those highs. I'm not letting you get that rook. That is so cheap. Alright, so what I will do is we will do Okay, I guess I just gave a free thing there. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Oh, now I can't castle. Okay, I have to kick this then. She's just gonna move back there. Or he. Then I'll have to go here. See? Don't short the market, guys. Don't short the market. Can't move anywhere. Obviously, that is going to put me in check. That was a misclick. And now I can't castle. Now I'm screwed. Great. Fantastic. Okay, I like that defense that we have here. Oh my god, I'm not showing my screen. And TikTok, because you're vertical, you don't even see this. God, this is the worst stream ever. Oh. That's okay, actually. We'll just do this. And we'll do this. Wow. Wow. Okay. There goes my there goes my knight. There goes my knight. What is this game? This is a weird game. Let's go here. There. There. Oh. And I will be losing a rook now. Go there. I take. Takes. I need to threaten this. If I move here. This market is a little bit boring. I wish I caught that trade. Oh my god. This guy's just finding all the right moves. Dude, I'm so bad at chess. He's just gonna take he didn't take that? That's interesting. What is this guy up to? I think he's going for a checkmate. Fork? Okay, if I go here, that gets taken by there. I think I just need to go back to here. Indicator at the bottom is ATR. This right here, that's ATR. That's what I base my stop loss off of. Interesting. Pawn goes there. Ooh. That's a good move right there, is it not? Bishop here, bishop there, covered on all ends. Please explain the stop loss. It's just an order for you to take a loss. Okay, and boom. Now I force him to give me a rook, right? It's like your order that you don't, if it goes below a certain price, you get out. Wow, he's just moving his king. That's interesting. But his king can't take that. But I can take this. Saw your short vid and then saw you were live. Let's see how it goes. Today, oh, I totally forgot that he could do that. As I always do, because I am the worst chess player alive. Today we've just broken even pretty much. Okay, surely I should be able to find a way to put him in check, right? If I go here, how do I put this guy in check? I need to put him in check so that I can start playing more aggressive. If I go here, his knight takes me. If I go there, his knight takes me. Wow. This guy has pinned me down. There's literally just about nothing I can do. He's going to go here, put me in check. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to lose this game. Why would he do that? Oh, he wants me to take so he can do this? And that's checkmate, isn't it? That would be checkmate. If I take there, he goes there. I can't move there, can't move there. That's checkmate. So I'm not going to fall for your little scheme. I'm going to move king to there. Look at this chop. The one big trade, like I say, every day there's like one big trade opportunity, and that was down here. Now it's going to be just picking for scraps. Oh, I could have just taken his knight there. God dang it, I'm freaking terrible. Now he's probably going to go here. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a great move. Great move. Fantastic move, even. If I go there... Okay, I need to do this, and then this. Take that. I don't care about that. Oh my god, he just left his rook wide open, though. What is he doing? Oh, that's what he's doing. Genius. This guy's cracked. Literally the one perfect move he can make. Oh, now he's just going to take that because he has a fucking queen. But then I would take that with my king. Let's see. It is checkmate if I get here, I'm pretty sure. He has one move he should make here. And that's probably this. Oh my god. Did I just win? If I go here, he can't go there. He can't go there. He can't go there. He can't go there. Okay. What did I miss? What the hell did I miss? What can he do here? He can't go there. Okay. Rook. All right. Great. That's GG's. This guy just completely destroyed me. He's plus 16. Impressive, man. Impressive. All right, I'm just quitting. God, I hate chess, but I can't stop playing it. Yeah, I didn't see that rook in the corner, dude. I'm like blind. I can't play chess. I don't know why. My brain just doesn't process all the pieces on the board. I just get tunnel vision. Pisses me off. Okay, well, let's take a look if there's any trade opportunities. Oh no, it didn't hit. But this was kind of a order zone. Still is, actually. This could be a trade. So right now we're chopping up against... Oh my god, look at the size of that candle. I would have loved to have my buy position there, but... So let's... see if we can get a push down back in here. Ideally. We're above VWAP. This would be a nice opportunity if we can sweep this low here. Not sure if we will, but that is what I'm going to be looking for. My man's not holding back on the swear words today. Folk TikTok, huh? Yeah, I guess, I mean, chess just brings out the worst in me. It just makes me lose my mind. Hey, Danielle. Everybody go follow Danielle Ganaway. in the TikTok chat. She said more chess. All right, if that's what you want, princess. That's my girlfriend, guys. Okay, well, back to new highs. So this trade does not really look like it's gonna hit. Corey, stop flirting with your girlfriend. Focus. There's nothing to focus on. There's no trades right now. Only trade I'm interested in is right down in here. I would love to take that. Let's see if we can, but I don't know if we will. God, I hate chess. Why am I playing chess? It's not even like I'm learning though. That's the thing. Skull. I know you said that's how you learn, or that's how you improve. I'm literally I just don't see pieces. It's like I'm blind. I just don't see pieces sitting in plain sight. How do you fix that? It's getting hot in here. Might need to turn the fan on. All right, we're still going higher. Let me at least mark out some kind of target or something to watch. So we have these highs that we're taking out right now, and that's about it. There's nothing else over there. Low volume candles too, so this might give us the selling pressure we need to get down back to this area though. So that's what we're going to wait for. It comes with hundreds of games played, if not thousands, not just 10 games. Alright, fair enough. Let's just keep running it. Look at my freaking ELO, 299. You know, I feel like ELO is like IQ. The lower your ELO, the lower your IQ. So with 299, I feel like I am mentally incapacitated. I actually feel like a stupid person. So I don't even like playing because I don't want my ELO to drop, because I don't want my IQ to drop. That move was instant. What is this opening? Oh my god. Okay, this guy's ELO is 276. That's like an IQ of like what? 70? Yeah, skull, see? 200 ELO, below 80 IQ. Yes, dude, that's what I'm saying. I don't like having a low ELO. It makes me feel stupid. What are you trading? This is MNQ. Well, we're not getting the push we want. Alright, so I guess I'll just match him on every move. Okay. I don't want to give him any chances here. Where can I move? So I can move here. If I move there, I get taken. If I move there, I get taken. So I don't know if that's the right move. If I go here, I can go there. Still get taken. Okay, I can't really do that, I guess. Let me do... Dang it. If I do that, he's just going to move here. let me do this. Now that. Kick the bishop. Okay. Oh, and gets my rook. Okay. See, oh my god. I can't handle this. You know what? Okay, I'm resigning. I'm going to play a longer game because I feel like it's coming from me rushing. I'm just resigning. Screw this. Wow, I lost 9 elo from that. Congrats, man. Congrats. I'm going to play a 30-minute game. I need to take my freaking time. $30-minute. See, I don't have 30 minutes to spend, you know? I want the 10-minute games, but I'm clearly not ready for 10-minute games because idiots are beating me. So, Price still not doing anything. Still waiting for us to get down back to 940-ish, 940 area. So if you're new to the stream, I play chess whenever there's nothing I can trade. Alright, this is a 30-minute game, so I can take my time. Who wants to spend an hour playing chess? I don't want to spend an hour playing chess. Okay, bishop. Is he gonna try the... Okay. Gonna do... I think I'm gonna do this. Minus 9 IQ. Yeah, I know. Okay, moved his pawn. Now if I do this, I feel, you know, I should probably do this. No. Let's, okay, let me think. Let's bring out, okay, if I go there, he takes, I take. If I go there, he can go here, I take. If he goes here, I take. If he goes here, I take. So he can only make one move, which is pretty much back. And then he can go there, and then he can take there. So I will do this. Wait. What? No. What? Did I do something wrong? Okay. So he's back there, just like we thought. So if he goes there, gets taken again. So let's see if I can... Ooh, I can get my queen out. Get his king. Target the king, but then he'll just do this. Which then my queen is just kind of stuck. Not sure if there's any point in doing that. Maybe I... okay, so his queen is open. on a dark square. Think I should go there, so that if he goes, wait, no, go there. Ooh, what's this? We could go there. Okay, let's try this. Shorts 306 ES. I am not shorting this market. I just realized I haven't developed literally anything other than my pawns. My gosh. Bringing the queen out to play. Okay, the only move is there, in which case he'll go like that, but then he gets eaten. So, there. What if he does that? Or what if he does that? Then he gets taken. If he does that, he gets taken. If he does that, he does not get taken. Alright, he does get taken. Okay, let's see what happens. Wait, what happens if he takes that? Oh my god. He takes that and he's fine. Oh, no he doesn't. I am so brain dead. Wow, this market has just gone straight up. Moves the queen back. Straight up since our buy point. Straight up since our buy zone. Long. Yeah, we're only looking for longs, yes. Okay, now I think I would like to gotta develop some pieces, right? So let's just see what happens here. Okay. So if I take that, he takes that. Okay, yeah, this is just not a productive move at all. Basically just helping him develop his pieces at this point. If I go there, queen takes. If I go here, bishop takes, and then I take, and then queen moves, and then it's a forced queen trade. No, actually, he'll just put his frickin' pawn right there. Okay, so the only move is probably to just go back. Retreat to safety. I will put you here. CK Londa, I have a question about my strategy. Go ahead. Shoot. Bro doing side quests? Yes. This is my chess side quest. Absolutely terrible at it. Makes me very angry. Moving there. Interesting. Let's castle this side. Let's do this. Oh, no, he will just take that instantly. I don't want to keep moving these pawns. Let's do this. I think you could have traded bishops, or am I bad at chess? I don't know, dude. I am bad at chess, so. Why is he doing that? I think. If I take, he takes. If I go forward, he takes. And then I take. Huh, actually that might work. Let's see what happens there. Wow, guys, we might not get another trade today. We'll see. But we need it to go lower. Oh. Is it listening? Hola. What's up, Timothy? Timothy Washington. We moving? Oh, excuse me. Look at his short side castle pawns and how they're intact. Yes, yes, I see that. Short side castle pawns and how they're intact. Yes, they're intact. What does that mean? Good morning, CRO. He's taking a long time to think about this one. Someone said they had a question for me, and then I told them to ask it, and they just didn't ask it. Just left. Read the comment above. Oh. You shouldn't have moved the pawns up on the short castle side, used them to protect the king. Yeah, I kind of realize that now. It's not a good idea, because now my king doesn't really have much defense. Moves there. So he's probably going to just take my pawn with that. Or no, move this. Ooh, what if I did this? Lil YD1 key, what's up? If I do this, now it's like a double attack. But then he can just do this. In which case I take, he takes, and it's just a fair trade. So I guess that's not that good. So if I go there, he's going to go like that. Force me to take. Ooh, wait. Because I have my queen here. So okay, I think. Oh my god, there goes TikTok. Alright, I think I'm going to try this. I mean, I already know what he's going to... No, no, no. That's the wrong move. That's got to be the wrong move. Okay, what if I did that? If I do that, he does that, I take that. Let's try that first. Oh, wait. But now he's just going to move that, isn't he? Well, he can't move it there, he can't move it there, he can move it there. So, that's probably what he's going to do. Yeah, that's his only move there. Which I can't really do much about. Oh my god, dude, this market is just going straight up. This was where we were buying, and we just got to break even and then missed the actual move, which is so annoying. All right, so he's gonna move there. What am I gonna do to try to? Because then his bishop can take, but then I take the bishop. I feel like I need to get my queen out here to here. How are all of his pawns basically unmoved, and my pawns are just like everywhere? How does that work? Like, is that the meta, to just not move your pawns? Just make a freaking impenetrable line? What ticker are you trading? This is MNQ. MNQ. Waiting for a move lower. Patiently waiting. Disconnected. This guy's losing internet. Come on, don't make me win like this. We have yet to take a single piece. That's crazy. Oops, sorry. Alrighty. Market just moving straight up. Is this guy gonna auto resign? Really? Didn't even take a single piece. $10:36 a.m. Not much volume. It is a Friday. Alright, guess he disconnected. A win is a win, right? Alright, let's go. I kind of want to review that game because that was just like going on forever.
Oh. F3 is a bad move that defends the e4 pawn. but weakens white's kingside and takes away the natural developing square for the knight. Their bishop comes into... Well done, an excellent move. They overlooked an You overlooked a better way to prepare a bishop for development. Moving their threatened... The only move, and you found it. You allowed the opponent to kick a bishop. They stopped the check by interposing a... You overlooked an opportunity to defend a bishop that was under attack.
Yes.
You got lucky here. Your opponent missed the chance to capitalize on your mistake. You are now able to win a knight through a fork. You will win a knight with a fork. You missed an opportunity to capture a vulnerable...
Yeah, I knew that was a mistake there. Okay, well, I think I am bored of chess now. I'm bored of chess, I'm bored of this market, so what am I to do? I guess we can clean up the chart and go back to the drawing board. We got this big imbalance over here. What coin is this? This is not crypto. This is MNQ. NASDAQ. Oh my God. This market's gonna make me sleep. There was one good trade, and it was all the way down here. And we missed it by the skin of our teeth. The hair on my chinny chin chin. Okay. There's a little bit of... Okay, I can't talk. There's a little bit of an order zone here, it looks like, potentially. Tiny, small, not even really, honestly. I might trade this with, like, one contract if we get down there. Not really an A+ setup. It's mostly on the 3-minute time frame here. You know what? We'll trade full size. No. I can just imagine the clip that I get from that of me saying, yeah, let's trade full size, and then I lose. So we'll trade 2 contract. Should I just trade full size? I think I have the confidence to trade full size. If it bites me in the butt, whatever. We were green all week this week. Loses it all. It's looking like it wants to move. It's looking like it's getting ready to make that classical move. Absolutely terrible entry. Wow. Okay, where's my stop? Oh my God, this is terrible. This is terrible. Absolutely terrible. I do not like this trade at all right now. If we can get a really big push here. Oh my God. Saved by the freaking bell. My entry is still absolute garbage. But wow, we will be saved there at a break even. That is pure luck on my side. Alright, out there. Cool. I don't want to be in that trade. My entry was way too high. Even if it keeps going, I don't care. That was sloppy. Now the proper entry was definitely, obviously, somewhere down in here. But I kind of rushed it. What time frame is this? This is 1 minute. Dang it, man. Zone's all the way down there. Are we gonna get a retest? My trading is sloppy today. God dang. I just cannot catch these winners. God dang it. Better than losing, but do you guys want me to bring back? Oh, I gotta pay attention here. Sweep of these lows, potentially. There's not a lot of volume, though. There's really not a lot of volume. But let's see. Man, there's no volume. Look at this volume. There's still no volume. Like, there's just no volume here. I don't really want to enter on a low volume candle down. The volume bar at the bottom is useless. Prestige, that's the second time you're coming in here saying things are like a fact of the matter. I mean, why? How is it useless? It's been working for me great so far. And John, I go to break even very quickly because my risk management is just super aggressive. I try to make sure my math is right because my trades usually either go or they don't. So basically, I'm either right or wrong quickly. Look at the volume. There's no volume. I mean, if we can break this low with some high volume, maybe. Oh man, this thing is moving quick now. All of a sudden. Wow. This is difficult to trade because the volume is just so weird. It's just low volume. Broke the low with a little bit more volume, but still not a lot of volume. There's no volume. I mean, it is a Friday, which is, I guess, makes sense, but it's just making it difficult. I feel like this is a coin flip right now. The setup is right. The setup is typical setup, but the price action in the area is just kind of suspicious to me. No volume, random increases in volatility with no volume. I don't know. This is giving me some weird vibes right now. What are you trading? MNQ. I just can't tell with this trade. I can't tell if I want to enter or not. Dang it. God, that was just difficult for me. This whole week has been difficult, even though I'm green every day. It's just can't quite put my finger on it. Gilbert, thanks for following. Now it's looking like it's getting ready to pop here. On very low volume once again. Yeah, so that's the problem with low volume. Is like you can get these big moves and then they just get shot right back down. Volume still continues to shrink. Yeah, I just don't think I'm going to be taking a trade in this area. It's just chopping around. I think we need some kind of sweep with volume in on it before we get some kind of move. It is a Friday again, so Friday can be, you know, people take it off. Yeah. So, no trade there. Going right down to the next area. Oh my god, that's happening quickly. Now, we have an order zone here. We have an imbalance area here, which we're now getting into. Probably the better setup is right down in here. We don't have an order zone here. Look at the high volume, though. That's interesting. High volume into that area. Taken out. Sorry, Gilbert. That was a tough trade up there. Takes some decent experience to know to kind of stay away from that area. You just, when you watch price action, you can see that there's just no, it just wasn't able to make up its mind, you know. And there's no volume. Usually when there's low volume, whenever there's a big turning point, you're going to see high volume. So I like to enter when there's high volume. If there's low volume, it's kind of like you're just gambling. Like it can break either way randomly, and all right, if we sweep down here, that could be interesting. YouTube, you guys still there? You guys are quiet. Who says supply and demand doesn't work? You can see the orders getting taken right there on the volume as well. Now things are getting a little interesting. Always freaking yawning. Because we could be generating liquidity below this low into this imbalance, but then we also have this order zone down here, which might be the better one. We'll see how we'll see how price reacts if we break this low. TikTok, if you could do me a big favor, double tap your screen, like the stream. TikTok has been very mean to me lately, so if you want to help the algorithm and see more of these streams, pretty please. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all those things. Alright, let's see what happens once we sweep this low. Can we get a trade in today that actually moves? So far we are I don't even know how to say it, but we are all break-even trades pretty much, except for one partial contract, one contract. The Friday slump. Dang it. This just means it's going to take longer. Bollocks. Taking forever to get these trades, man. I feel like I just got to start trading every candle so that we can maximize engagement. Michael, thanks for following. We're waiting for a retest of this area if we can get it. Right now, it's not looking like it. There's some volume. There's some life. Here is the curve. Oh, okay. The equity curve for take profit traders. So this week, when did we start? Well, I don't even remember. How many days? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yeah, green every day this week. We have one more day to go. So if we can just get one more day, then we will have been green every day of the entire week. We're green right now, but barely. I'm tired of these small green days. I would like to actually see a full winner. Enter short right now, trust. I cannot do that. User 940, thanks for following. With your strategy, you look for an order block and then liquidity. See, I don't call it order blocks. I mean, I think they're the same thing as supply and demand, but I just know supply. I call it supply and demand. Supply and demand and order block. Okay, supply and demand and liquidity. Yeah. Supply and demand and liquidity. I have a free boot camp on my YouTube channel and inside the Discord. And then I also have a more in-depth course if you still struggle after that. But you must watch the free boot camp. Prerequisite. Did you guys see that Top Step lawsuit with Patrick Wieland? The man went through 570 accounts or something like that. There's so many ways to trick the audience, guys. I'm telling you, I know all the tricks, but I just don't use them. As you can see, obviously, I am showing everything. But the trading community just doesn't know how easy it is to do what some of these people do. Literally just churn through accounts and only show switch trade on multiple accounts, take multiple different trades on different accounts, switch through the accounts and show the winners. It's that easy. And the fact that Pat went through 570 accounts while he was still at that time claiming to be a full-time professional trader and super profitable. If you go through 570 accounts, I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing there? So, caught paper trading twice, and then caught going through 500 different accounts. 500 accounts, dude. But hey, what do I know? Maybe it's all legit. Something I don't understand. Come on, let's see a big push down, sweep these lows, take these orders, big volume, and let's get out of here. Oh, we're gonna do it. God, the volume is just dead again. What is your win rate? My win rate is around 70 to 80%. It varies widely because I take a lot of break-even trades, and break-even trades count as wins. So it depends on how many break-even trades I'm getting. But yeah, my losing rate is like 20%-ish. That's a full loss. So basically all you need to know is that I will take a full loss 2 out of 10 trades, just about. Everything else is either a break-even or a winner. Is YouTube, are you guys still there? I think my thing might be disconnected. I think something's going wrong with my software here. I'll just pull it up manually. And if something is not going wrong with my software, then that's embarrassing. Oh God, I gotta focus now. Oh yeah, you guys are still active in the chat. My software is just glitched. Not sure what happened there. What the heck? What's up, guys? What's up? There's actually a good amount of you in this YouTube. Alright, I can see your comments again. The buy earlier was the best. Yeah, I know. It's like I say, there's one good trade every day usually. One big, nice trade. And that is definitely this one down here, which I missed by just a little tiny bit. Why do you teach for free? I teach almost everything for free, and I don't know. I mean, don't think I'm some sort of saint. There's ways to make money. I do have a course, but it's a very cheap course, and I don't have a large audience to make a ton of money off of it. But I just like trading, so I want everything that I do to be trading related. And trading is lonely, right? Like, I'd rather stream and have people to talk to while trading and teach some people some things than sit here in silence, alone, not talking to anyone. Alright, well that break was, again, on very low volume, so I don't know if I can trust it. I don't know if I need to stop looking at volume today because it's Friday or what. Like, look at this, there's no volume again. Just having a terrible day outside of trading too, so I'm a bit quiet. Sorry, my man. Days like today, right? I mean, there's always going to be those days. It sucks. Appreciate you still being here. Even with on such a tough day. Alright. Are we going to get some sort of life? Some sort of life. Sign of life. Still nothing. A little bit of volume here. Not much. Ooh. I think I'm gonna try it. Oh god. This is looking terrible. That was a total fake out. Wow. Damn it, dude. Crap. I'm just gonna rebuy. Oh no. Oh no. What did I do? Oh no. This is probably not a good idea to be doing this on a Friday. Fridays are notoriously my worst day. Come on. We need to see a big flush up. Okay, going to break even instantly because I know how this market can be on Fridays. Need a big push up, something with a lot of volume, a lot of power. And we're getting it right now. Let's go. Keep going. I'm going to sell one there. In fact, let's see. I think we're on a small red day right now, which is why I sold one just to try to cushion that loss, and we're coming right back down. Jesus Christ. Fridays are tough, man. Gotta just trade in the morning and leave, you know? Take that one good trade in the morning. Come on, man. Move. Just move. Oh my god, and that's... God dang it. Well, now we're down slightly on the day. Tough, man. Tough. Gonna just wait for this order zone here. Just cannot get a mover. Just takes one mover and I'll make plenty. I'll make everything back and then some. But it's tough to get a mover today. Other than obviously the one mover that we missed. Okay, I'd like to see a big sweep here. Nope, need more than that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, that is not what I wanted to see. Okay. Interesting. Well, there's the high volume that we've been asking for. But unfortunately, it is past our zone. Ah, man. What market are you trading? MNQ. MNQ, MNQ, MNQ. Dang it. Are we really gonna end on a small red day? There's small imbalance here, but no liquidity. All right. This whole week, man, is just like I would be done by now if I just got this trade back here, right? So I miss the big trade and then I catch these stupid, frustrating small trades. Excited for CPI next week. Hey, man, we'll see. We'll see what it brings. So there's that big volume push that we were talking about. Like I said, if once you get these no volume, you know, these no volume moves, you usually get a big break with a lot of volume, and that's when you usually want to be buying. But right now I'm not buying this, obviously, because it's nowhere in an area that I would be interested in. This is my first time I'm able to watch live buzzing. Oh, well, you picked an unfortunate day. The one day this week that we may end on a red note. Okay, so apparently I still have a position open on one of my accounts. And that is not good. Alright, so on one of my accounts, I somehow had a short position open, so I am now green on $233 on one of the accounts. That is a total glitch, and I guess we'll take it. That is my software being buggy. This software, Replicanto, it's great, and then when it's not great, it's terrible. It'll just like not sync the accounts. It'll just trade. It'll close the trade on one account, and it will just not close the trade on another account. Kim, what's up, Kim? Going all the way down? Maybe. I would like to see lower. I'd like to see if we can end the week green. I mean, we are going to end the week green more than likely, but end the week with all green days is what I would like. Should I short this? That's your decision, man. I don't trade anything but my levels. I wait for my levels. I'm waiting for this level down here. Bro has a community and he's asking me if he should be trading. What the hell? I hope it's not a paid community. That would be quite interesting. Bloom I funded this morning started a new eval. Hey, Miss Pretty Alien. Sorry to hear that. It has been a relatively tough week to actually catch the nice moves, at least for me. I'm catching all these tiny moves and then I miss the big trades by a few seconds. It's so frustrating. Oh my god. Now we're just going straight back up. Market is not being cooperative. I'm gonna have to go soon. I can't sit here all day as much as I would love to. We're gonna ruin the frickin' winning streak today. That sucks. Fridays, man. Fridays always screw me. Even though technically it shouldn't have screwed me today. I was just not good at catching the move. Beautiful order zone. Textbook. If you guys are not in the free Discord, again, make sure to join that up. There's a free boot camp on my YouTube in the playlist. It's also in the Discord. If you want to learn all this stuff, most of it is free. There's a more in-depth course, but most of it is free. The course is if you're like an actual nerd about trading and want to know all the nitty-gritty little details. Get the more advanced stuff. July opening price for the win this morning. All right. All right, let's see what happens here on this move. Imbalance area there. I may trade with less size now. It's not as safe to trade now. It's almost noon on a Friday. I mean, price can start acting pretty weird. So we got this pump back up to these highs. Took out the highs. Sharp, relatively sharp reversal. So let's see if we get back down into this imbalance area. Oh, there we go. Alright, quite a bit of volume in that wick now. May see about an entry below this wick if we can get it. Not sure if we will. Price is looking like it wants to explode right now. Trading MNQ on the 1 minute time frame. Dang it, I forgot the issues with being vertical on TikTok is that you guys can't see the time frame, you can't see the ticker. Come on, man. Give me something. Something. More coffee. Alright, I'll put the watermark. I hate the watermark, but... You get any Black Rifle coffee yet? No, not yet. I'm trying to finish the one that I have right now. Dang, my freaking YouTube chat is, oh, never mind. My chart swept out the low? Oh. How? It didn't do it on MNQ or NQ. on. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer. I'll go make more coffee, but this thing looks like it could move in any second. Well, it's just exploding higher. L or W day. We're down a small amount today. Technically up overall because of this account here, but we've been green every single day of the week, and then of course Friday it's red. Of course. Frickin' Friday. Frickin' Friday. Can't just let me end the week off happy. Stupid market. Alright, I'm gonna go make some more coffee while this thing just farts around doing nothing. I'll put that here. And you guys know the drill. Because I'm leaving, this is when we're gonna tank down, sweep the low, and come back up. So make sure you guys catch it. All right. Still nothing. Oh my. Okay, man. They're testing the freaking fire alarm system. I totally forgot about that. I'm glad I caught that on video because I always tell all my friends how loud that thing is and how it always scares the crap out of me. And there we go. Thank you. Thank you, Complex. What a day. It's scary, right? It's so loud. It's so unbelievably loud. It's terrifying. That's like it's like an evacuation alarm. It's not even a fire alarm. It's like the death alarm. They test it once a year. So, you just got a rare event right there. Oh. God, literally muted it. It stopped. I unmuted it, and it starts again. I don't know how many times they have to frickin' test it. Jesus. So loud. Oh, man. Can't have shite today. I don't really see any trade opportunities coming. Now it's almost 12. I mean... I'm ending the stream. I'm ending the stream. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to stream with this freaking alarm destroying everything. Alright, so, yeah. Ending the day on a small red note.